Good morning, dear friends. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see chapter 2 English grammar, chapter 2 standard 8. The name of the chapter is articles. Articles. In English grammar, articles are words that combine with the noun to indicate the degree of definiteness, that is specificity of the reference being made by the noun. The articles in English are the definite article the and the definite articles a and sometimes some. Okay, that means there are three articles a and an. A and an are the definite article. They refer to something not specifically known to the person you are communicating with. A and an are used before nouns that introduce something or someone you have not mentioned before. I saw an eagle and an owl this morning. I ate a banana and an orange for lunch. Now when you must put an, okay, now you can put a banana, not orange, chair, okay. So and when you must put n, where there is beginning of I, O, E, O, U, okay. These are the 5 vowels: A, I, E, O, U. Before the words, whenever there is A, I, E, O, U, then you must put N. And where there is not these 5 vowels, then you can put A. Second, when talking about your profession, I am an English teacher. I am a builder and an architect. Okay. So where there is A, E, I, O, U, you must put N. And where there are no these vowels, then you can put A. Okay, a builder. Okay, a teacher. Then a worker. Okay. Next, use when the noun you are referring to begins with a constant sound represented by the letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, T, V, W, X, Y or Z. Now these are the vowels or these are the letters where you have to put A. Before these letters you have to put A. Whenever the words or the sentence is beginning with these letters, then you must put A. That is a city, a factory, a hotel, a train, a yacht. Now there are no vowels in the beginning of the words. These are the words which are beginning with the letters, not with the vowels. Let us see use of N. Use N when the noun you are referring to words that begins with the vowel sounds represented by the letters A, E, I, O, U. I told you these are the vowels, okay. These are the 5 vowels. Now see the example: an Arab, an eagle, an ice cream, an owl, an umbrella. I will give you some more example: an orange, an apple. Okay. Now these are the vowels which are beginning with the words with the vowels. There you can put N. And when the sentences are beginning with letters, then you must put A. Let us see the B1. Definite article the. Okay. Now when to use the? The is used when you know that the listener knows or can work out what particular person thing you are talking about. The pineapple you ate was very juicy. This is the first sentence. Do you know the time of arrival of the train? Okay. So when you have to put the, see, When you have already mentioned the thing you are talking about, she's got two children, a girl and a boy. Now this is a singular of girl and boy. So where you have to put C, a girl and a boy. Now suppose there are many girls, okay, the girls, the boys, okay, when they are singular, then you must put a girl and a boy. The girls 5 and the boys 8. To talk about geographical points on the globe, the North Pole, the equator. To talk about rivers, oceans and seas, the Nile, the Pacific, the English Channel. Okay, they have told when to put a, an and the. When we are talking about geographical points on the globe, see, you know boys, what is globe? Okay, the map of the world. Okay, when you are talking about that, you must put what? The North Pole, the equator, the east, okay, the west, the north. Okay, so when you are talking about rivers, oceans, seas, then what you have to put? The Nile is a river. Okay, the Pacific Ocean, Pacific is the ocean. The English Channel. See the fifth one. Before certain nouns, when you know there is only one of the popular thing, the rain, the sun, the wind, the earth, the White House, etc. Okay, like these things. So they have clearly told you what you have to put where. Okay, the, a and n. Let us turn to the page next one. Zero article. This is C1. Zero articles. Okay, we usually use no article, also known as the zero article. That means sometimes some other words or some other points or some other sentences where there we don't use any article. To talk about the things in general, people are anxious about the rents. People are anxious about the rents. Note, people generally, so no article. Inflation is rising. When talking about sports, my cousin plays football. Okay, there is no any article. Golf is expensive. Before uncountable nouns, when talking about them, generally information is important to any organization. Is coffee a stimulating beverage? They are asking. Now there is a article. What is the article there? A. Okay, sometimes there are words when they don't use articles. Now let us go to the exercise number 2. Identify the articles in the following sentences and state their kinds. Number 1. In the end, he spent the night in the corner of an alley. Now what is the article over there? The and an alley. Alley. The end, the night, the corner and alley. Second, the cat chased away all the rats and mice. The cat, the rats and mice. Third, the captain of the ship was delighted, for the cat was an excellent mouser. The sheep, the cat and excellent. Mr. Fitzwarren then paid all the money the captain had received for the cat. The money, the captain, the cat. Okay, I have written here the articles. You have to note down only articles. Like the previous day, there was a definite movement in the potted plants. The previous, a definite. She went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. The benches, the potted. The authorities decided the Revati's plants deserved the first prize. The authorities, the first prize. It nestles by the side of a small stream of crystal clear water. The site a small. She is an intelligent girl. Now see, they have used here an intelligent. I have told you before only. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. Wherever the sentence is beginning with these vowels, you have to put N. He is a lawyer and a social worker who advocates the cause of women. A lawyer, a social worker, the cause of women. Let us see the next one. 11th one. As a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love and in a family. A matter is the fountain of love, a family. There is nothing a woman cannot do. A woman. The girl of 12 happily rushes out of the room in the bright morning sun. Now here there is the girl, the room, the bright morning. We lack the self-confidence to see ourselves as a developed nation. The self-confidence developed. There is not a cloud in the sky, but it is raining. A cloud, the sky. Though an open window, I can see a woman at a table. A woman, a table. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. The palace, the sound. It was easy to get in because there was a hole in the roof. A hole. And also is there the roof. We must make an order that birds cannot die here. An order. Kite flying has a long history. A long. Cries of triumph rent the air when someone cuts the line of a rival. The and a. Old Behrman was a painter who lived on the ground floor. A painter, the ground. Neurosurgery is the one of the most cutting edges in the world of surgery. The world. When he opened the envelope, he found sheets of paper. The envelope. The script appeared to consist of theorems. The script. Let us turn to the page. The writer of this manuscript was a man of genius. A man. The money was not a major problem. A major. Hardy did not forget that he was in the presence of a genius. The presence a genius. The Royal Society elected him a fellow at the age of 30. The Royal a fellow the age. It is a very interesting number. A very. Okay, now we have seen the articles. You know, I have read all the questions. When you get the books, you will solve all the questions. Before that, you will go through these articles. Okay, you read all this information and understand it. When you have any problem, then you can message me on the WhatsApp. Thank you.